जय गुरुजी। जय गुरुजी संगत जी, आप सभी का गुरुजी के दरबार में बहुत बहुत स्वागत। संगत जी, आज सुबह आते हुए आई वांटेड टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू, तो मैंने गुरुजी से रिक्वेस्ट किया, प्लीज़ गिव मी अ थॉट ऑफ व्हाट आई शुड स्पीक। सो आई ओपनड द बुक ऑफ लाइट ऑफ डिविनिटी एंड आई रैंडमली ओपनड अ पेज, और उस पेज पर जो आया, आई डिसाइडेड जो भी आएगा मैं वो आज मंदिर में बोलूँगी। But what came was not very clear to me, yet I would like to share it with you because once I came here, sat for the satsang, things started becoming clearer. तो ये जो सत्संग था, ये जगदीश सी पांडे अंकल का था, who is a relative of Colonel Joshi, and he lived in नैनीताल। और वो कहते हैं कि उनके लिए दिल्ली आना बहुत मुश्किल था, क्योंकि वो अपनी लाइफ की ट्रबल्स में, प्रॉब्लम्स में बहुत मसरूफ़ थे, एंड इट वॉजंट पॉसिबल फॉर हिम टू कम टू दिल्ली, एंड ही हैड हर्ड अबाउट गुरुजी, और वो गुरुजी के पास आना चाहते थे पर आ नहीं सकते थे। तो उन्होंने एक बार क्या किया कि कर्नल जोशी को एक, ये क्या कहते हैं, एक शेर लिखकर भेज दिया और बोला कि इब्न अदम की कोई दुआ करे, मेरे दर्द की कोई दवा करे। ये शेर जो है, ये जो मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ, ये जाकर गुरुजी को सुना देना, या ये मेरी मैसेज दे देना। एंड ही सेज, now what it means is कि इब्न अदम की कोई दुआ करे, कि एडम who was thrown out of the जन्नत से उन्हें निकाल दिया गया था, तो कहते कि एडम की के लिए भी कोई तो दुआ करे, कोई उनके लिए माफ़ी मांगे उनके कर्मों की, या जो भी जिस भी कारण से उन्हें जन्नत से निकाला गया, और मेरे दर्द की कोई दवा करे, कोई तो मेरी भी सफरिंग जो है उसकी दवा करे, उसको एंड करे। तो उन्होंने ये अरदास भेजी एक तरह से जोशी अंकल के थ्रू, कि ये गुरुजी तक मेरा मैसेज पहुंचा देना। एंड ही सेज कि मेरा मैसेज पहुंचा भी नहीं था और मेरा बुलावा आ गया, एंड आई गॉट द चांस टू मीट गुरुजी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। उनका दर्शन मुझे पहली बार हुआ और उनके चरण में अपने हाथों में ले सका। सो इट वॉज सच अ डिवाइन थिंग दैट इससे पहले कि वो बोलते, उनका मैसेज पहुंचता गुरुजी के पास, वो ऑलरेडी सुन चुके थे। एंड देन व्हेन आई केम एंड सैट हियर टुडे, आई हर्ड बिन बोलियां सब किछ जानदा, किस आगे कीजिए अरदास। एंड देन आई अंडरस्टूड, ओह दैट इज़ व्हाट इट मेंट। इसलिए वो चाहते थे कि मैं ये बोलूँ। एंड देन ही गोज़ फर्दर एंड ही सेज जस्ट वन मोर लाइन हियर। He says, it was as if Guruji was telling me, जब मैं उनसे मेरे को उनके दर्शन हुए, तो it is as if Guruji was telling me, मम दर्शन फल परम अनूपा, जीव पावन निज सहज स्वरूपा। It means कि मेरे दर्शन का फल परम अनूप, मतलब बहुत ही यूनिक होता है, उसका फल इतना यूनिक है कि जो जीव है वो पा जाते हैं निज, मतलब अपने ही सहज स्वरूप को वो मिल लेते हैं। यू कैन मीट योर ओन ट्रू सेल्फ। द जर्नी, स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी बेसिकली इज नथिंग बट योर ओन नॉलेज ऑफ योर सेल्फ। आप अपने आप से ही अपनी मुलाकात करते हैं और बहुत सहज तरीके से कर लेते हैं। I will explain a little bit further on this after the satsang कि क्यों आज गुरुजी ने ये मुझे दिया होगा, क्या ऐसा ग्लिम्स अपनी ही नेचर का क्या ग्लिम्स मिला होगा। तो उसके लिए मैं काम्या आंटी को इनवाइट करती हूँ। Let us listen to her satsang and then I'll talk about this. जय गुरुजी आंटी।
जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी। इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग। मैं पिछले एक साल से शायद हर रोज़ कोई ना कोई सत्संग होता है, बट अभी यहाँ पे आई एम नॉट श्योर मैं कितना बोल पाऊँगी, बट आई विल ट्राई। इफ आई से in 2019 I never heard about Guruji before, and in Edison Mandir I went for Karwa Chauth Puja, and that is the first time I came to Guruji Mandir. I usually don't go to temples, and I was not aware of any gurus or anything like that. But that day I came, I did puja. I'm not even sure कि मैंने माथा भी टेका होगा. But उसके बाद से एक pull था कि every couple of days I feel like I should go and sit in Guruji temple for some time. So that's how it began. And then I'll not say I get connected, but then I'll say he got me connected. And that's how it began. And then there was no look back. I felt like I have a hand on my head all the time. When, when we come to this country, we don't have family here. You feel very scared, alone. But then 6 months down, coming to this country and then having Guruji hand on my head, it felt good. It felt like a blessing. Time, like 4 years passed like breeze because I was going to temple morning, evening. It was a very good experience. This year was a roller coaster. A lot of good and bad things happened. And I was not aware, like, कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ इसमें. Because मेरे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं था. And every time, I don't know even if I asked him something. But things keep falling in place. So what happened? Last year we moved to a new house. Guruji blessed us, the house. But it was a little far from temple. I couldn't come every satsang. But he made me make peace with it to sit in the home temple and do part or whatever I want to. But there was that gap. But it was getting better. I started doing part at home and things like that. So after we moved to the new house, we had to set up new doctors and everything. And we were busy with so many other things, we couldn't do it. And the thing is about my husband's health. And he never go to doctor, not for the physical checkup. But last year, he set up the doctor by himself. He fixed the appointment. I didn't push him. I was busy studying for my interviews and job. And he went to the doctor. And it was a normal routine physical checkup where doctor accidentally checked his throat. I should say accidentally because I have never had a doctor checking my throat. And he was perfect. He never had a problem. Like, he was good. And then doctor felt that there is some lump inside there. So you should get it ultrasound. But then it was, I think, the winter break. And we couldn't get the appointment. And it got delayed. And then we ignored. Because doctors say a lot of tests when we go to physicians. And we don't go for it. And I didn't even push him to go for it. But then he took the appointment by himself, which is very unusual of him. And then he went for the ultrasound. And there was a lump. It was huge. And when we did the biopsy, it was cancerous. So he had cancer in his thyroid gland. But what today I can feel is, it was Guruji's blessing that out of nowhere, we find it out. Doctor could detect it without a very usual thing. There was nothing in the blood report. He went to the doctor, which is also very unusual. So Guruji just made the path. Even if there was a difficulty, he made that path. And then the day we found out that, okay, we need to get it removed. But then, since we're new to the country, we don't know a lot of people, we were not sure how to get the appointment, where to get the surgery done. But within 2 days, we got the appointment in the best of the hospital, with the best of the doctors, and then we got the appointment for the surgery sooner. So everything happened smoothly within 20 days. I didn't even tell these things to my parents because my brother is getting married this year and I didn't want to burden them. And it was getting very overwhelming. That every day I talk to them and I have to make a happy face. But whenever I get a chance to come to Guruji temple or sit at home temple in front of him. And I cried my heart out. And after that, it felt like he put his hand on my head and I felt relieved. I felt little more stronger. And then, yes, surgery happened. Everything fell in place. He's healthy. He's good. There's no further problems. But the shukrana is that, okay, he gave us a problem. Hearing the word cancer is, crazy. But he gave the problem, but then he gave us the strength to bear with it. So, us cheez ka shukrana hai. Another thing I'll tell is, so in January this year, we filed for a green card. And in February, my brother got engaged. He is in India. And green card never come before 12 months, 15 months. And then I was worried that how will we travel now, since we can't travel. And then another miracle, that within 3 months, we literally received a green card. Within, it was the same time, when we got to know about the health issue, we received the green card. He's opening paths and he's showing us the path that, okay, I'm with you. So now I feel like whatever is happening is his wish. Obviously, life cannot be smooth. Otherwise, how will हम याद कैसे करेंगे गुरुजी को? तो I think हर दुख के साथ connection strong होता जाता है. So I think that's all I can remember to say right now. So जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी, हर चीज़ का शुक्राना, हर सांस का शुक्राना, हर दुख सहने का शुक्राना, हर खुशी का शुक्राना. Thank you, Guruji. You want to say something?
Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji for everything.
Jai Guruji.
This is for you. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Now the second part again, I'd like to mention it. Mam darshan fal param anupa, जीव पावन निज सहज स्वरूपा. कि उनके दर्शन का इतना यूनिक फल मिलता है कि आंटी और उनकी फैमिली ने अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को रिकॉग्नाइज किया. She recognized that the whole family had so much strength that they could bear such a huge problem by themselves, not even sharing it with their family. अपने पेरेंट्स से भी शेयर नहीं किया, किसी से शेयर नहीं किया, बस यहाँ गुरु परिवार के साथ, गुरुजी के साथ और उनके सहारे उन्होंने अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को पहचाना. So that is what happens when we come to Guruji. जब life gets too difficult for us to understand, it gets beyond our control, तब हमें पता चलता है कि कोई है जो actually सब कुछ चला रहा है और हमें इतनी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. हमें बस उनकी शरण में आकर बैठकर अपनी चिंताएं माथा टेककर उनके चरणों में छोड़ देनी है. That's all. So that is what I wanted to share. A few announcements now, Sangat ji. A little time ago, there was a satsang that was done by a Sangat. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि सत्संग जो होते हैं, they are where the Sangat shares what they went through. And there is always a message for someone in the Sangat for the satsang that is shared. जैसे मैंने बोला कि आज जो मैंने चुना वो भी मैंने realize किया कि गुरुजी ने चुनवाया for a certain reason, because this was the Sangat, that was the satsang that was going to be shared. So whenever we share our satsang, we only share the blessings that we received from Guruji. And recently there was a satsang जिसमें किसी ने soliciting की अपने business की, that they had opened a business and people got interested, and this person went and solicited about her new business in the other Somerset temple too. And people started approaching her and tried to help her out, because that is what the Sangat does. हम सोचते हैं कि जो भी यहाँ खड़ा होता है वो अपनी सत्संग शेयर कर रहा है, and we think it is our duty, out of the goodness of our heart, we want to help that person. So just wanted to make it clear that the temple does not participate in any solicitation of any kind. And the satsang here is just the sharing of our blessings. It does not mean that you have to go and actually help the person, unless, of course, on a personal level, the person approaches you, it is different. The temple does not participate in it. So I just wanted to make that clear. And another thing, that राखी आ रही है, तो आप ये भी जानते हैं कि मंदिर में ग्लैम द गुरुकुल करके एक गुरुकुल स्टार्ट किया गया था बच्चों के लिए, और उसे ऑलमोस्ट 1 ईयर होने वाला है. तो जो ग्लैम के बच्चे हैं उन्होंने अपने हाथों से राखियाँ बनाई हैं और राखी डेकोरेशन बनाई है. एंड दे हैव ओपनड अप अ स्टॉल इन द फ्रंट. सो जैसे ही आप सत्संग के बाद जाएंगे बाहर, प्लीज़ एनकरेज द किड्स, बाय द राखीज, बाय द डेकोरेशन. एंड दे हैव सम राखी फॉर मेन, दे हैव सम लुम्बा फॉर गर्ल्स, कैंडल्स, ज्वेलरी, एंड राखी that lights up too. So please do buy them and encourage the kids, because they do all of this for social work. They help the needy with whatever they get here. And as I told you that it's been almost a year since this started, in September, Glam the Gurukul will start its 2nd session, and enrollment for that is starting now. So if you wish that your kids join Glam the Gurukul, please get in touch with Sonia Malikanti and she will enroll your kids for that. And for this, what is done in Glam the Gurukul is that they would be having 5 teachers and 5 assistant teachers who would be teaching the kids art, craft, music, Hindi, and explaining the Bhagavad Gita. And these classes are usually held on Sundays between 11 to 12, and after that, the parents, if your kid is less than 5 years old, you have to be there with the kid. And after the classes are over, they can join the satsang on a Sunday. So these were the announcements for today. और अब संगत जी हम लंगर प्रसाद करेंगे. जैसे जैसे आपको सेवादार बताएंगे वैसे वैसे आप बैठेंगे. इस साइड पर सब लंगर करेंगे. जिन्हें भी बर्तन सेवा करनी है वो इस साइड में आकर बैठकर लंगर करेंगे. और इसी के साथ आज का सत्संग यहीं समाप्त हुआ. जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी.